What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yeah, we're out and about today. I had to make a run out to Home Depot. If you didn't know, I'm doing some different things at the house and trying to get some amazing things done. But I don't know if you heard this or not, but I got contacted by multiple workers at multiple factories saying they've been shut down for the second and third and maybe even the fourth. Saying they don't have the parts to finish vehicles. Does this mean Stellantis is not paying their bills again? Probably.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, got it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to the channel. And listen, this has happened before with Stellantis. For whatever reason, these guys they're the most fiscally irresponsible executive team ever. Who makes the decision not to pay suppliers? And the other question is, if you're a supplier for Stellantis, why? If you have to keep chasing your money because the company doesn't pay its bills, why are you doing business with them? I get it. They're a massive flow of income for them. But at some point, you guys, the suppliers, you literally got to tell these companies to go eat a D, man. Like, I don't understand how these suppliers allow these corporations to get sick. 30 days, I get it. Things happen. Could be an accounting error. 60, 90, 120 days late to the point that you have to stop shipping parts to them? No way. No friggin' way. Why are you doing business with this company? It doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. So what I'm hearing, and I'm only hearing this from employees, there's not like an official statement from Stellantis, but I'm hearing that JNAP, I'm hearing that SHAP and TAC, and maybe one other are stopping operations on the 3rd and 4th. I believe they shut down during the 2nd, but they're shutting down on the 3rd, the 4th, and possibly the 5th for no other reason than, well, what the employees and what the supervisors are telling the employees are, they don't have the parts to finish the vehicles. And the reason why they don't have the parts is not because the suppliers are late and they didn't deliver them. They don't have the parts because Stellantis didn't pay their suppliers. Now, again, I have to take this information with a grain of salt. I'm taking this information from employees. Someone just texted me and said, hey, the employees are posting it on Reddit too, so I'll drop that right here. And like I said, as you can see, they're talking about it here publicly over on Reddit as well. But I leave the question to you. Is Stellantis, they're investing hundreds of millions of dollars into Archer Aviation, $250 million, right? 240 something million so far. Like, and then what? Tavares got another, a $40 million bonus in his salary, right? So, like, I mean, that's $280 million. But you can't afford to pay your part suppliers. Does that sound like good management to you? It sure to hell doesn't sound like good management to me. I understand, like, floating a month or doing something because you want the numbers to look best, or you want to make more interest on your money that's in your account, whatever it is. All right, I get it. I understand. That said, for a company that supposedly has all this cash on hand, why can't you pay your bills? Food for thought. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friend.